Welcome to the Bitbns platform review. Bitbns is a popular cryptocurrency exchange offering a range of services designed for both beginners and experienced traders. As one of the more user-friendly exchanges, Bitbns allows easy access to major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins such as USDT. You can quickly sign up, deposit funds, and start trading in a matter of minutes. The platform also provides secure wallet services for holding your crypto assets safely. Navigating through the Bitbns interface is straightforward, making it easy to buy and sell digital assets with just a few clicks. In addition to basic trading features, Bitbns offers investment options where you can earn passive income by staking crypto assets, such as USDT. Bitbns charges competitive trading fees, and the platform is known for its seamless mobile and desktop experience, making it accessible from anywhere at any time. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Bitbns stands out for its comprehensive security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account from unauthorized access. This extra layer of security ensures that your assets remain safe while trading or holding them in the platform's wallet. Bitbns also has customer support to assist you with any queries or issues that may arise during your experience on the platform. If you're wondering about the withdrawal process, Bitbns makes it simple to withdraw your funds to your external wallet or bank account. The platform supports various payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are smooth and efficient. Bitbns also offers a P2P feature, allowing users to buy or sell crypto directly with others, adding a layer of flexibility to the trading process. With its low fees, robust security, and wide range of features, Bitbns is a great choice for anyone looking to enter the world of crypto trading or enhance their existing portfolio. Make sure to explore its different features and find the best way to manage your digital assets. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto platform reviews.